Namaste to all. Today I come with a battery light. Okay, this is DC, this is DC, this is an AC. Problem is that if I turn to the DC, the light is not glowing. Maybe the battery has some problem. Okay, yes, this is a switching problem maybe. So sometimes it is glowing, sometimes not. So we are going how to repair or the switch. Okay, first of all I just open this cover. I carefully open the cover, and this is the light, LED light panel, and here is the switch. Switch has some problem, sometimes glowing, sometimes not. And also check the AC line also. So first of all I just open the screw. And take out the circuit. This is the circuit board, and this is the AC input line, and this switch has some problem. So I just take WD-40 and spray it here. It will remove the dust or rust also. And after that I just take this side and take this side. And I also check the AC line also. I make it AC connection.